Hi, and welcome to Baker Affair. I'm Pika, and I like to try different kinds of desserts and sweet treats, sometimes with recipes, and sometimes I like to just do the improv, like just throwing it all together. Today, on this episode of No Bake Desserts, I'm making a plum compote, which is going to consist of 4 to 5 pitted sliced plums that you put in a pot with 1/4 cup sugar, or you can use honey. I'm using sugar today. Some people are anti-sugar. I'm using sugar. And then you can, once it's boiled down, you cool it off, and you can either put it over ice cream, you can put whipped cream on it, you can add nuts to it, you can add granola to it, you can add many things to it. I'm going to just add whipped cream to it. Now that these are all sliced up, now I'm going to stick them in a pot with 1/4 cup of sugar and a splash of water or lemon juice. And then I'm going to throw it on the stove. Turn it on to medium heat. Give it a stir. And then we're just going to let that cook down. Okay, so I've added the plums and the sugar and a little bit of water to this pot, and I'm going to stir it now. You want to cook it all down. See all the juice that's coming out of it already? And you just want to just keep cooking it down. The idea is you want to soften it enough that it breaks down completely, so it's sort of like, like not a jelly or a jam or a preserves, more like, how like strawberry preserves, there's still like seeds in it. Well, this is going to have like peel in it, but it should be very tasty and very good and no baking, because when it's 100 degrees, like I already said, it's too much. And and it's been hot. And my life has been, as you can see, it's starting to boil down. See that? It's getting thick and chunky. At this point, I am also going to throw in a dash of cinnamon, because I like cinnamon and it works for me. You can put anything you want in there, but I like cinnamon. I'm going to continue to keep boiling this down and putting the lid on, covering it up. As you can see, it's boiled down. This is what we want to look for. This is what I look for. I don't know what other people look for, but this is what I look for, because I like it still kind of chunky. I'm going to give it like just a few more minutes, and then I'm going to let it cool off. But it's boiled down considerably, and because I like it a little bit chunky. I have to just tell you that I like it a little chunky. So at this point, I'm going to shut the stove off, and I'm going to cool it off, and I'll be back when it's cooled off, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I couldn't wait. It's a little warm, but it's delicious. It's tangy. It's plummy. It's just so good. And see, it's got like big chunks in it. It's so good. Anyway, hope you like this video. I'm still trying to gather my thoughts about how to do this. Somebody told me to just do it, and I'm trying. Got my microphone, so I'm hoping you can hear, and like and subscribe if you feel that you want to. Thanks for watching.